Good morning from Norway. When I woke up this morning, I checked my Facebook and Instagram, and pretty much all of the comments are the same. And it's because it's a term in Indonesia that's gone viral the last couple of days, and it's Telolet Om. Apart from these comments, I've probably gotten 100 messages of people asking me to make a song about this. So on my way to work, I came up with this short, very short song. I was posting a video on Facebook, waiting for people's comments. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And then I went to Instagram, waiting for people's response. Telolet, 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 it's the only comments I get. And I'm sure when I upload this to YouTube, people's response will be the same. Telolet, 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 it's the only comment I'll get.